Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to tune a Mitsubishi Lancer, only way. Begin by checking timing, spark plugs, and intake for a clean baseline. I'll walk you step by step through diagnostics, simple adjustments, and safety checks so you feel confident making changes. Keep tools handy and pause the video while you work on each task. I'll also explain common mistakes to avoid so your tune holds up on the road. Start by preparing your workspace and tools, then review factory specs for your engine. I'll explain how to use a timing light and OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to capture baseline data before any adjustments. Keep a notebook or phone to record readings, and keep bolts labeled so reassembly is smooth. Working methodically saves time and prevents mistakes, and I'll remind you when to double-check critical items during the process. We'll go through the core tuning steps one at a time so nothing gets missed. First, set idle and air-fuel balance, then move to ignition timing adjustments while watching knock and sensor data. If your car has boost controls, make changes gradually and log each result. Between steps, inspect hoses, clamps, and connectors to avoid vacuum leaks. Take breaks as needed and repeat checks until the car runs smoothly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.